Hi. In today's video, I'll show you how to manually install a third-party extension on Google Chrome. So, if you have already downloaded the extension, then you need to unzip it. To do this, right-click on the archive, and if you have WinRAR, then extract the files by clicking on Extract To. If not, then open the archive using Windows Explorer. Then, just drag the folder from the archive to any other. As we can see, the archive is unpacked. Launch the Google Chrome browser. Click on the menu button, then More Tools and Extensions. Turn on Developer Mode by clicking on the toggle switch located in the upper right corner. Then, click on the Load Unpack button. Find the unpacked extension, select it and click Select Folder. Done. The extension is ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you still have questions, write in the comments below.